Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best way to grow $1,000 using Harley Bank. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you've got $1,000 and you want to make it work harder, the Harley High Yield Saving Account is the simplest and the safest start. With an APY around 3.4%, your money grows passively without any risk or money fee. It's ideal if you are saving for short-term goal or building an emergency fund. If you are comfortable with more flexibility, consider the Harley Certificate of Deposit, which is CDS, especially their Raise Your Rate or No Penalty CDS. This lock in higher interest for set period but let you withdraw early if rate rise. Either way, Harley help your $1,000 grow steadily while keeping it accessible for you. And that's it. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more smart money tips, and that's it.